Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecasts, week commencing 14th of December till 20th of December for 2020. The whole weekly prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology. You can take this prediction according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant, your rising sign, your Lagna Rashi, for all of you. Let's talk about Aries this coming week. The transit for Aries, the transit of moon for Aries, transit of moon for Aries in 9th house, 14 December till 17 December. Transit of moon in 9th house. Transit of moon in 9th house. When the moon is transit 9th house, this time period, may I say this particular period, you have to work really hard, more hard than usual, in order to achieve your accomplishment or goal. Health need attention. You become susceptible to a lot of health problems regarding stomach or regarding breathing or chest when the moon is transit in 9th house. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you may also suffer from lack of sleep. Mentally you feel tired, exhausted, become lethargic. When the moon is transit in 9th house, this particular will bring along, may I say that you'll perform a lot of religious work, charitable work, spiritual work, and you'll be participating in a lot of charity related work, yes, and you'll create a name and fame through that, yes. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you're also likely to get a fame in society through charity work. When the moon is in 9th house, and may I say that financially can be a tough time. If you're thinking to move your money, start your new business, starting a new venture project, or sort out your inheritance, nothing will work out according to expectation. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you have to keep a close eye on your friends as well as your enemies. And you'll end up with a lot of arguments with people around you, personally and professionally. And last thing, you need a living conflict on your back. Now, hold on to your respect and honor in society when the moon is transiting in 9th house. By avoiding unnecessary conflict with anybody, mentally you will suffer from anxiety and feel overburdened sometime. And you have to be extra careful regarding your decisions or choices, whatever you making during this phase of time. The moon is transiting in 9th house. Be careful. Transit of moon for Aries in 10th house, 17 December till 19th of December. Transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period will also bring along fulfillment of desire, achievement of goal, attainment of comfort. Material gain, financial gain, if you're planning to start something new, this gives you the time to do so. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this particular time period, assure your success in all your undertaking. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this period would also be favorable for you, for your family, generally be very happy and content. It's a good time in your workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, when the moon is transiting in 10th house, you may expect honor, promotion, appreciation at workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, this period will bring along position of authority, accomplishment of your objective at workplace. Your respect in society is going to rise during this phase of time. If you're female, be cautious and avoid any conception related to trouble. This period will see you going through a lot of health issues, male or female health issues. Look after your health and well-being. You could also get a taste of very finest food. The moon is transiting in 10th house. Transit of moon for Aries in 11th house, 19 December till 21st December. Transit of moon in 11th house. Transit of moon in 11th house. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this time period, generate financial gain. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this particular period helps you to raise your income and gain riches. When the moon is transit in 11th house, if you are self-employed, you'll be able to see the reward of your hard work. When the moon is transit in 11th house, you may be able to see attain some stock of wealth to this phase of time. When the moon is transit 11th house, this particular brings you joy, happiness, good timing with people, companions, friends, family reunion. Getting together with old friend is also likely to happen during this phase of time. The moon is transit in 11th house. Those who are married may expect a personal bliss. If you're eligible bachelor, you find a perfect match during this phase of time. This particular period also brings along opportunity for you to have a delicious food, enjoying comfort at home. Health will be fine. Mentally, you would also feel much more happy and relaxed during this particular time when the moon is transiting 11th house. Aries, in this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Moon, Rahu and Ketu for prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, lack of flow of income, lack of professional backing, lack of relationship, lack of peace of mind and happiness. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out your planet for the best. If you want to achieve complete weekly horoscope report, then please do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve the best. Aries weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you will achieve mixed fruit, mixed rewards. There will be lots of running around. You'll achieve your expected success after putting a lot of hard work. You'll come across many obstacles, but there will be lots of new ventures planning. There will be rise in status, prestige, and honor. You'll come across lots of financial gain, prosperous opportunities. You'll end up spending more money, more time. Refrain from hasty decision, action, conduct, foul temper, out of control behavior. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge argument, conflict, and out of control aggression. You will only ruin things. Nothing better will happen through aggression. No. You'll have a plan to create a change in your business, profession, career. You'll be in contact with most professional, qualified decision maker. You'll be blessed with financial gain, improvement in your circumstances. You'll come across many obstacles, professional challenges. Your expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You'll come across obstacles, delays, domestic complications. You got to look after your health. Aries task of the week. Do flow good and whole moong and rice, mix them together, quantity whatever you can afford. In the fastest flowing river, day should be Sunday or any day. Do keep 2 solar silver balls in your possession all the time in your pocket, and do wear fine gold studs in your ear. These both tasks are quite important for your professional gain, for your health and prosperity and flow of income. Please. Aries precaution of the week. Beware of any health issue linked with lower abdomen, below the button of belly, and beware of any kind of financial losses or financial conflict. Aries chanting of the week. Ang Harim Sharim Kalim Chamundaya Viche. 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 More you do it, more you achieve it. Let's talk about Taurus for this coming week. Taurus transit of moon for Taurus in 8th house, 14th of December till 17th of December. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website, prakashastrologer.com, because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.